So this is interesting. I've had a project come up where I've had to use AutoCAD because Chief Architect is good at some things, but when it comes to 2D, it's off a little bit sometimes when you want to snap to a point. I don't know how their system works, but AutoCAD is like infinite. So let's say I wanted to grab a line. I'm now on the end of that line or in the middle. And all of those features are turned on or off. I'm trying to think where that was. It's been a while. It doesn't really matter. But I'm going to share a couple things that I learned along the way. In 2015, I was able to go to a community college, and if you notice over here, I have a whole bunch of layers. And what they taught me was create a bunch of lines somewhere on your template file, and then assign each one of these to a unique layer for all the layers that you might need. And then if it's in your layout template, or I shouldn't call it your model template, your file template. I'm using the wrong terminology. These layers will be here. And if you open up a new blank, hang on, let me try this. See how they highlight all those? Copy. So I'm going to go with a new drawing, and I'm going to pick the default out of the box, AutoCAD LT, DWT. See how there's only 0 layer? But if I paste in, insertion point, let's just go here, V right there. Oh, there they are. As soon as I pasted those lines in, look what it did. It put all those layers in. And then if I delete all these lines, they're still there. So that's pretty cool. Once you know what you want and you've got it, then you don't need to even have these. And the only reason I keep these is if I had to open up another file that didn't have the layers I'm used to working, I would just copy and paste these in and create all my layers. I probably need to go through and look at some of the thickness, the line thickness and stuff. But that's cool. I've got a cough, so I need to go because nobody wants to hear that.